Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share latest job openings for both freshers and experienced in different locations. So as you can see here, ECG HR solution having lot of vacancies for different positions like recruitment consultant for portal hiring and recruiter for bulk hiring and a trainee recruiter. So these are the job vacancies available. So you should have up to 4 years of working experience, or else freshers also can apply. And the job locations would be Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi NCR, Chennai, Jabalpur and Pune. So if you want to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. And also for more detailed information, you please go through the website link that is mentioned here. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.